Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 445, smallest palindromic rearrangement 1. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. You are given a palindromic string S. We have to return the lexicographically smallest palindromic permutation of S. A string is palindromic if it reads the same forward and backward. Okay, so if you see this string ABA, so if you read from left to right or from right to left, this is same, right? ABA, and here from here ABA. Okay, so this is nothing but palindromic string. Okay, and same way for even length, your string is going to look like this. Okay, so if you read it from left to right or from right to left, it looks same. All right. A permutation is a rearrangement of all the characters of a string. Okay, so permutation is nothing but in how many different ways using the same number of characters. Okay, how many different ways we can write a particular string, right? Let's suppose if this is your string ABC. Okay, so in how many ways you can write this? You can write it like this, ABC. Okay, you can write ACB. Okay, you can write CAB. Okay, I'm using the same number of letters, right? Or you can write it as here BAC. Okay, you can write BCA. All right, or you can also write it as CBA. Okay, 6 ways. So how we calculate this permutation? Actually this is nothing but 3, right? So 3 factorial, so 6 ways, right? And if we have duplicates, so in order to remove the duplicates, like here if you see this string ABA, so here number of permutation for this one. Okay, so here we can write it like this ABA, and here we can write it like this BAA. Okay, and here is there any other way? So you can write it AAB. Okay, only 3 ways. Okay, and after that you are going to get duplicates. So here nothing but 3 factorial, and here the frequency of a is 2 times 2 factorial and 1 factorial, so you are going to get 3 only. Okay, so this is actually extra topic, we are not going to use this, but just for your reference how we calculate the permutations. Okay, a string A is lexicographically smaller than a string B if in the first position where A and B differ, string A has a letter that appears earlier in the alphabet than the corresponding letter in B. Okay, so this lexicographically simply you can say dictionary. Okay, so in dictionary this word is going to come first, then after that this word is going to come, right? So dictionary order, right? So if the first mean A dot length, B dot length characters do not differ, then the shorter string is the lexicographically smaller one. Okay, so this is what we need to do, right? Okay, so now see this example number 1, just one character, return that, right? Nothing else we need to do. Okay, now see this BABA. Okay, so here in the dictionary this is going to come first. Okay, a string is a palindromic. Okay, so this is also palindromic, right? A string is palindromic if it reads same forward and backward. Okay, and we have to return the smallest palindromic rearrangement. Okay, so we are going to return this. Okay, this is of odd length, right? And see this, so here ACDDCA. Okay, so here this is going to smallest. Okay, so what I'm going to do here? Okay, so here I will just count the frequency now. A is occurring 2 times and B is occurring 3 times. Okay, so this is the first step. I'm going to count the frequencies. After counting the frequency, okay, so I have to form this string now. So I will need first half of my string. Okay, this is nothing but my first half. Okay, AB. Then I need the mid part. Okay, this is of 5 length, right? So this one is extra B, right? Mid. Then I need the last part of my string, so last part is nothing but this BA. Okay, so how we are forming this? AB, then there is one mid B, and then the reverse of this, so BA. Okay, this is how we are forming this, right? This is going to smallest. So first I'm going to calculate the frequency of all the characters A, B, C and D. Okay, all these frequencies I will calculate. Okay, A to Z. Okay, because in the constant size it is given to us that as consists of lowercase English letters only, and it is guaranteed to be palindromic. Okay, and this is the length. All right, so here A is occurring even number of times. So here in the first half, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this A just one time. Okay, just one time, because it is occurring 2 times. So I'm starting from here from A to Z. Okay, so A letters. Okay, the letter starting from A is going to come first in dictionary, right? So that is why I'm starting from here. Okay, so here first in the first half I'm writing A, Then after that I move to B. Okay, I'm not just writing this one time. Okay, just writing it one time. Okay, so I'm just going to divide it because I need one a in the end as well, right? So I am writing it one time. Okay, now B is odd number of times. So what I'm going to do first, B is odd number of times, so I'm going to add this B in the mid. Okay, and then after adding this in mid, so the frequency of B is going to become 2. Okay, now I'm going to divide it with 2 and I'm going to write it in one time. Okay, done. And after that C, D, all the frequency are 0. Okay, so this is done. So in the end I will just add AB plus this B, and here I'm just going to reverse this first half. Okay, so I will write B, that's it. Okay, so this is how I'm going to solve this problem. Same way here, A frequency is 2, C frequency is 2, and D frequency is 2. Okay, so and B frequency is 0. Okay, I'm counting all the frequencies. Okay, so now I'm just going to, we need first half, second half, and first half, mid, and the last part. Okay, so here A is 2, so I'm only writing A one time. C is 2, I'm going to write C one time. Okay, C one time here only. Okay, note here, one second. So I'm going to write C here only. Okay, C is not odd number of times. Okay, if it is odd number of times, then I'm writing in middle. Okay, then D, I'm going to write D. Okay, so in the end I will just add this, so this is empty, nothing. Okay, and here I'm just reverse this TCA, I will get this out. That's it. Okay, so easy, right? So here this is the code for this. So first I'm going to calculate the frequencies, right? So this is how I'm going to calculate the frequency, right? And then left side string builder, middle character. Okay, there is only one middle character. Okay, for the odd, and for even it is empty. Okay, now I'm just going to iterate over all the frequencies one by one, and I will take the count. Okay, so if count is odd, then I'm adding that in the middle character. Okay, and I'm decrementing the count. Otherwise I'm running one j loop, okay, for half number of times, and I'm adding everything in the left side. Okay, done. Now in the end, this is a result, okay, that we need to build. So in the result string builder, first I am appending left side, then middle character. Okay, if it is there, then add that. If it is empty, then just add empty. Okay, and then I am just reversing this left side. Okay, dot reverse, and in the end I'm just returning this. Okay, so very simple code, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with question number 2 of weekly contest 445. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section, and please like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more solution of weekly contest problems. Thank you. Bye bye.